So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to change the aspect ratio on your Canva. So first, you need to select the project that you wanted to change the aspect ratio. And after that, you will redirect on the top left navigation bar, which is the Resize. As you can see, there is the crown icon right there, which is you could only use this feature if you're on the Pro 1. So if you wanted to be on the Canva Pro, just subscribe to their plan. So in this case, you just have to click on the Resize, and under that, you will see a drop-down menu. Just click on the Resize tab. Once you click on that, you will see right here the custom size. You could also click or pick some suggested ratio right here. But if you wanted to be a custom, just click on the custom size. And then you could also change its units based on your preference, whether it is on the inches, millimeters, as well as the centimeters. And then modify the height or width based on your preference as well. And then click on the save if you're on the Canva Pro. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.